What's up, guys? I just woke up. And this is what my head looks like when I woke up. So, see my pictures that I'm going to put up on MySpace today? This is what it looks like in the beginning. All gross, and it feels greasy, and it's like, I don't want it. But then I take a shower, and I'm like, ooh, now I want it. So, can I sit you here? Oh, I can't. No, wait, shit. No, wait, shit. Oh, yes. Okay, so I was gonna go show you my dad because he's cooking it. So, you wanna come with me? I'm gonna hold the camera like this. My mom eats them that way.
What?
Eats over easy.
Grandma doesn't eat them over easy.
And why are you making them over easy?
I'm making them over hard.
Oh, Vince used to eat them like that.
Sunny side up is when they're on the other side. I just flipped them, so they're going to be over hard.
How do you like yours, Brittany?
Scrambled? I don't like them that way. I don't think I like them that way. Would I, Daddy?
These?
Yeah.
Maybe.
I've never had them. Look at how gross it looks.
Creamy, you want them over easy? I see you rubbing on my coat. And everything you could possibly find. These are how they cook over hard. Because I am the master of hard cooking. Hey.
That was, oh.
Flop.
Yeah. Oh, he got shot by the camera. Okay. I don't even know what I want to eat yet.
Pancakes, Amis.
Shh. Shut up.
We'll have to get him a piece of plain chicken out of the freezer.
Plain chicken. Okay. Yeah, you're gonna figure out what my house is like soon, because I'm probably do this like every day. Gotta get my socks on now. Shit. Fuck. Wait. Okay, you should be able to see me here. This is my bed. Hey. No, just kidding. Stop. Ow! Okay. You ever put on socks? Do you wear socks to bed? Do you wear socks to bed? You know that comes off your circulation, bro. You're not supposed to wear socks to bed. That's bad for your ass, bro. Okay. It's 10:46. I wish I was still sleeping. Because I went to bed at